You've seen them. You've smelled them. Maybe someone even offered you one.
But what's the truth about vaping? Let's clear the air.
Vapes can help adults quit smoking.
They're not for children, young people, or people who don't smoke.
That's why there's a minimum age of sale for vaping products in the UK.
Nicotine in vapes is addictive and can cause headaches, coughing, dizziness, and more. Our developing lungs and brains are sensitive to the effects of vaping.
Vapes are made to look fun, fruity flavours, colourful designs, but that doesn't mean they are for you.
Do you even know what's in them?
Buying vapes online or from friends or for people you don't know, you have no clue what's inside.
And it's not just about your health.
1.3 million disposable vapes are tossed away every week.
That's why, from the 1st of June 2025, disposable vapes were banned in the UK.
Remember,
Vapes are meant to help adult smokers quit.
let's clear the air.